filter of the bubbler can also filter most of the sediment and impurities, and the internal grid can filter the impurities of large particles. Prevent water flowed, and the air is mixed with water as good. The water feels soft, enhanced water momentum, cleaning more convenient. A fine, built-in dirt strainer captures sand and dirt particles. To clean, simply remove strainer and rinse it off under the water. Humanized design, easy to install and use, no need to replace the original faucet, no need to change other environments. 360-degree rotation, water can easily covers the whole sink, never worry about clean the sink in cold winter. Under the condition of high-efficiency water saving, fully meet the water requirements for daily hand washing, dish washing, washing vegetables and washing fruits. All use environmentally friendly materials, harmless, no radiation, absolutely safe and reliable.